Cakes, and today I will be making a succulent cake. So succulent cakes are kind of the trend right now, so I decided that I would try one myself. Making the flowers is a little bit tricky, that's why I'm trying this, so I can improve my skills on making flowers. And so the cake that I'm using today is a lemon cake. I will be putting a link to that recipe right there. So let's get started. Now I will be putting my lemon syrup on top of my cakes. This just helps it to be a little bit moist. I just combined water, sugar, and I put a little bit of lemon slices in there for about 15 minutes, and I let that simmer. And then I took the lemons out, and then there you go. Some lemon syrup. There you go. So now we'll brush all our cakes just like that. Not just dabbing it. Dabbing it. Now we will be frosting our cake. And so I'm just using my regular cream cheese frosting. I really like cream cheese frosting. That's why I use it a lot. And so I dyed it a color green to make it look like a pot. I didn't want to use like the color red, like a dark red for like clay, because I think it would overpower the flowers, so you mostly see the pot. So that's why I'm using gray, and I'm just gonna do that all over the cake. So I already put the syrup on my cakes, and so now let's get some frosting. So let me get a spoon, but to make this gray, so I didn't have any gray in stock, so I had to like make it mixing colors. It looks like a pretty good gray, right? I mean, have to say, my mom did good. She's the one who knows all about painting and mixing colors, so I asked her for some advice. So I mixed like a burgundy red with just a regular blue, and I just mixed those two up so until it like became a purple, and then I added some green. So then it all just came together just like that. So yeah, now we're gonna frost all the inside of the cakes, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so now I am doing a little design on my frosted cake. It's just to make it a little bit more realistic. So I'm just taking a spatula. That's funny, spatula. So I'm just taking a spatula and just going across. And then I'm going to just go across like this. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's gonna get covered up by the flowers. So now, this is done. Put that in the fridge for like 20 minutes. And then I will be coloring my other frosting. I just made another batch of cream cheese frosting, and I'm just gonna be coloring that all the colors that I want for the flowers to be. And so that's what I'll be doing next.